Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Lexus, please help me subscribe to my channel. Click that bell notification so every time I have a new video, you guys will be updated. But I'm working on my 2009 Lexus IS250. So right now I'm doing the rear differential fluid change out. So for the gear oil for the differential, I bought 7590 full synthetic. So I bought this from O'Reilly. And for the drain bolt and the fill bolt, it's gonna be a hex. This one's gonna be a H10. Before you drain out the differential fluid, break loose your fill bolt. So it's the one on the top, on the side right there. So I'm just gonna break it loose. There you go. And then the bottom one, I already broke it loose already. I'm gonna loosen out the top bolt. So that bolt is going to be your fill bolt where you fill in the differential fluid. Now I'm going to remove it. For the differential fluid, you want to change them out every 25,000 miles. Ooh, it's turning dark. Let it drain out. The drain bolt here, you want to clean them out. Forgot to buy a new washer, but it's okay to reuse it. It's not bad. Now you guys can see there's a lot of metal shaving. Now I'm just gonna wipe it down. My car have 155,000 miles, 160,000 miles. So it's a good thing for me to change out the fluid, clean out the bolt, clean out the washer. Now the drain bolt is completely clean. The washer is still okay to use. I'm just gonna reuse it. Make sure you guys clean the fill bolt too, and then put it back. Now you're gonna wipe the spot and then put the drain bolt back. Now before you guys fill in the fluid, make sure the car is level. So right now I have two jack in the front of the car. I jacked it up evenly, level with the my low profile jack. Make sure the car is even. Okay. To tighten it, don't have to be too crazy. So this is tight. I'm gonna snug it a little bit. There you go. That's it. Don't have to be too crazy. Wipe the spot. Now you're gonna put in 2 quarts of differential fluid. Now to fill it in, I took out the little cover right here. The plastic cover right here. That way I have room to put in the pouch like this and squeeze it in. Now when you fill it in, you're gonna fill it in all of it until the fluid comes back out of that level, and then when they start coming back out, that's when you know it's full, it's enough. Now I got the first quart in already. So each bag is 1 quart, it says right there. So I got 1 quart in already. Now I'm gonna put the second one in, and then I'm gonna show you the when I put it in, the fluid comes out. It's gonna be enough. My second bag, so I'm just gonna keep squeezing it in till the differential comes out. There you go. That should be enough right there. That's it. There you go, guys. The fluid coming out nice and clear. I'm gonna put back the fill bolt. There you go. I'll tighten it. Same thing. So this is tight. Just snug it a little bit. There you go. Don't have to be too tight. That's good. You're gonna wipe the spot. Now just take the car out for a test drive and check for leak again, but you're all done here. Now make sure you put back the cover that you took out, but that's it. You guys can see the oil is starting to turn brown. That's good that I did it on time. Rear differential fluid should be changed out every 25,000 miles, no later than that. But now I'm just gonna take the car out for a test drive. That is it to this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you on the next video. Doma, I'm out. Peace.